Okay, Tyrone, you cover 4 through 6, and just pitch in with the busters when you can.
No, wait a minute. I'm on 8 through 10. Yeah, I've been working here 18 months, 8 through 10.
Minor oversight. Lewis, you cover 4 through 6 then.
Dude, Lewis quit like 10 months ago. Yeah, he quit.
Is there any reason we're even having this meeting?
Not really.
No, not for me.
Great, good, great. Meeting adjourned. Back to work. Hey, Kellyanne. Did I get any calls?
Since you asked me 11 minutes ago, no. Not a lot of phone traffic. Oh my God.
What?
What's your name?
Who?
The girl, Alex.
There's no girl.
You can't hide it, man. I know strung out, and you are strung out.
Okay, please.
This is amazing. You can't focus, right? Jumping every time your phone rings, checking your email 100 times a day, wishing you could write songs. No, feeling the need to bring up her name in random conversations. It's always the same, and it has happened to you, my friend.
Shit.
Welcome to my world, asshole. Let me get the door.